My father used to say that a good plane, much like a good family, must appear flawless to the world. Imperfections are unacceptable. Care, my dear, appearances are everything. In my world, they're the foundation on which power is built. Without them, there is no legacy. But you didn't come here to talk about planes or appearances. You must have questions. Why you? Call it chance. Call it opportunity. You were suitable to play a role, a very important role. You see, Lucy, families like mine don't just rely on wealth or power. We rely on perception, on the image we present to the world. And sometimes maintaining that image requires creativity.